For the first time in over 50 years, humanity is preparing not just to visit the moon, but to stay there. This isn't a repeat of Apollo. This is Artemis, a bold mission that could lay the foundation for life beyond Earth and forever change the future of humanity. But what exactly is NASA planning? And what does it mean, not just for science, but for all of us? Stay tuned, because the future of space is closer than you think. The last human footprint on the moon was left in 1972. So why are we returning now? There are three powerful reasons. First, science. The moon still holds secrets about the birth of our solar system, hidden beneath its untouched surface. Second, technology. Mastering how to live on another celestial body is critical for future missions to Mars and beyond. And third, survival. Humanity's long-term survival depends on becoming a multi-planetary species. This time, we are not just planting flags and leaving footprints. NASA's Artemis program is about building a sustainable human presence on the moon, establishing lunar bases, mining resources, and allowing astronauts to live and work on the moon for extended periods. The Artemis program, fittingly named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, promises to take us further than ever before. Artemis I, an uncrewed test flight around the moon, has already been successfully completed. Artemis II, scheduled for update based on current year, will carry astronauts around the moon, testing life support systems and preparing for landing missions. And then comes Artemis III, the big one, which will land humans on the moon's south pole, including the first woman and the first person of color. But the journey doesn't stop there. Future missions like Artemis IV-V and VSEC are already in planning stages, aiming to build Gateway, a small space station that will orbit the moon, serving as a launch point for lunar surface missions and deeper exploration into space. Living on the moon sounds like science fiction, but Artemis is making it a near-term reality. The plan includes deploying habitat modules where astronauts can live and work, as well as using lunar terrain vehicles for exploration. Scientists have discovered frozen water in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's south pole, a game-changer. Water can be used not just for drinking, but can also be broken down into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel. Solar panels alone won't be enough during the 2-week lunar nights, so NASA plans to deploy small portable nuclear reactors to power these outposts. Additionally, autonomous rovers and robotics will be heavily used, scouting, mining, and even performing early construction before humans arrive. In essence, we are seeing the birth of the very first off-Earth economy: mining, energy production, and even potential manufacturing on the moon. But why does this matter for all of us here on Earth? Simply put, survival, innovation, and inspiration. A self-sustaining presence off Earth could one day save humanity from extinction if catastrophe strikes our home planet. Every technological advancement driven by Artemis, in medicine, energy, robotics, and artificial intelligence, will find its way back to Earth, improving our lives. And perhaps most importantly, Artemis will inspire. The Apollo mission showed an entire generation that anything was possible. Artemis now has the power to ignite that same sense of wonder and ambition in today's youth, future engineers, explorers, and dreamers. It reminds us that we are born explorers. The moon is only the beginning. Mars, the asteroid belt, and even the outer planets await. NASA's Artemis program is more than a mission. It is the next giant leap for humankind. In the coming years, we'll witness history unfolding before our eyes. So the real question is, are you ready to be part of humanity's greatest adventure yet? If you found this journey exciting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chapter in space exploration. And tell us in the comments below, would you want to live on the moon if given the chance? Until next time, keep dreaming beyond the stars.